Arrive in style with the Chevrolet 2016 Malibu LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: convenience and technology package, driver confidence package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo with seek and scan digital clock, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.